Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood now.
ब्लॉग पर देखने को मिला अमिताभ बच्चन का दर्द। स्वर्गीय शशि कपूर पर लिखा ब्लॉग, बताया शशि जी से उनका बबुआ बनने का सफर। अपने ब्लॉग में उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि दी, अपने दोस्त को खोने की बातें लिखी। रूमी जाफरी के शेर से ब्लॉग की शुरुआत की। उन्होंने लिखा, हम जिंदगी को अपनी कहां तक संभालते, इस कीमती किताब का कागज खराब था। कैसे किसी नए शख्स से मिलते वक्त वह जिंदा दिली से हाथ आगे बढ़ाते थे। उनकी मुस्कान आंखों की चमक की प्रशंसा करती थी। हर कोई उन्हें जानता था। जब वे बात करते थे तो उनकी आवाज में एक शरारत, सज्जनता और कोमलता होती थी। मैं दोबारा उनसे मिलने अस्पताल नहीं गया। मैं उन्हें उस हालत में नहीं देख सकता था। वे मुझे बबुआ कहते थे। आज उनके साथ साथ मेरे और उनकी जिंदगी के कई पन्ने अधूरे ही चले गए। Standing elegantly without a care in the world, I saw him standing by a Mercedes sports car, a convertible, a smart trimmed beard and moustache, adorning involuntarily the face of this incredibly handsome man. It was a picture that filled almost an entire page of a magazine. Shashi Kapoor, son of Prithviraj Kapoor, younger brother to Raj Kapoor and Shammi Kapoor, making a debut in a forthcoming film, is what the caption read. And I said to myself, as very uncertain thoughts raced through my mind of wanting to become a film actor, that with men like him around, I stood no chance at all. 1969 and those early years of efforts to join the industry were also the times when there was a close proximity to the area of an atmosphere that swiveled around this most attractive man. On and off, common friends in the industry, which I was getting acquainted with, would introduce me to him at select social gatherings. Shashi Kapoor was what one heard as he extended a warm, soft hand out to you in introduction. That devastating smile complementing the twinkle in his eyes. He needn't have done so. Everyone knew him. But this was his infectious, humble self. When he spoke, there was a mischievous, gentle, almost inaudible, delicate yodel in his voice, most endearing and comforting to the one he was introduced to. The self-introduction habit was a gem. The one being introduced to was, quite obviously, prompted to say his or her name as well. When they heard this, it was a remarkable tool to come to know the other person's name. And if and when there was to be another meeting after many forgettable years, the same technology was most helpful in remembering the other person's name, in case you had forgotten it. I must admit, it was a technology that remained with me as a learning, assisting me in using it during those uncomfortable times, when out of the blue someone would come to you and address himself as a long-lost buddy, with a, "Remember me? We last met 6 years ago at the crossing of Kemp's Corner, as you drove past and waved to me." My mind is warning me, of course you don't, how could you possibly? Stick that hand out to Shashi Kapoor and act friendly. I obey. Yes, of course I do. I say, looking recognizably lost, Amitabh Bachchan. And he would assure me with his, and Kemp's Corner and waving by, passing travelling vehicle, suddenly all come flashing by, and I am saved. And he goes away with some rather impressionable opinions about me. The next was his semi-curly hair on head, falling carelessly over his forehead and ears, not quite covering it. And my upper story mumbled again, "Hey, maybe you should think of covering your ears as well." And off I went to Hakeem the hairdresser at Taj Hotel with my plan and executed. It still remained till date. What followed is a documentation of very intimate association, personal exigencies, collective professional camaraderie, ending in family bindings. He had been ailing. Somewhere he had let himself go after the passing away of his dear wife Jennifer. I had visited him on occasion in hospital during some of the times he had been hospitalized earlier, but I never went to see him again. I would never have. I never ever wanted to see this beautiful friend and Samdhi in the state I saw him in the hospital. And I did not today, when they informed me that he had gone. The words of the Sher at the opening came to me minutes after Rumi Jaffrey, eminent writer in our film industry, sent them to me on learning of his death. How long could I have preserved this exquisite and expensive book of life? The pages of the book were damaged. अमिताभ बच्चन और शशि कपूर पक्के दोस्त थे। उनके द्वारा लिखा हुआ ये ब्लॉग सभी के आंखों में आंसू छलका देंगे। बेशक दुनिया ने एक दिग्गज सुपरस्टार को खो दिया है। बिग बी का ये ब्लॉग पढ़कर आपके क्या रिएक्शंस हैं?